friends. This afternoon we're going to be talking a little bit about the first 3 ranks that are available to you with Young Living. As you probably know, the products that Young Living offers are incredible. So if you've become a member and you have been using your oils, I can't say if you've not been using them, you haven't been experiencing them. But if you've been using them, you have been experiencing some really incredible results. I am sure of it. And you are probably already on Essential Rewards because that is the best way to get your products at a discount and get a bunch of freebies. And chances are you've already started to talk with other people about what you're experiencing, because when we find something that we like, it's so natural for us to just refer people to, like, the great movie we just saw, or the great restaurant we just found, or the great new oil we just tried. And so naturally you're sharing this with other people, right? So today I wanted to tell you about what Young Living does to reward us when we share. So the mission of Young Living is to get these oils into the hands of every person on the planet, basically, into every home in the world. And so they've already accomplished that in part in the fact that it's in our homes. And as we share with other people, Young Living rewards us for helping to further their vision. So as we get it into more hands and more homes, Young Living says, thank you so much for helping us accomplish this vision, and they reward us handsomely. When you're first getting started and you enroll somebody, you have the potential of making a fast $50 simply for telling them how to get started on their own. It is easy peasy. Every single one of us has a member number, and when somebody else uses that member number as their reference, as the person that referred them to the company to get their premium starter kit, Young Living says thank you so much, and they either send you a check in the mail, direct deposit, product credit, whatever. But there are actually ways that you can begin to share more and more and help other people share to the point where you begin to earn a really nice little income. And how much you decide to spend as far as your time commitment or availability and how much you want to earn, that's totally up to you. But I'm telling you, every single person you know can share with a couple people, and those few people can share with a few more people. And before you know it, you've got all these people that the ripple effect of who you've shared with can really start to compound, and you can have a large organization before you know it. That is what happened to me when I first got started with Young Living and began sharing the products because they worked so well for myself and my family. So let's talk today about the first 3 ranks. And the names of those are, well, first of all, when you get your wholesale membership, you are already a distributor. So that is the name that Young Living gives to everybody with a wholesale membership, whether you ever choose to share or not. That's the first starting point. Now, the first rank level is called Star. And to become a star, congratulations to all of our brand new stars this past month. We had an epic number of brand new rankers that achieved stars. So congratulations to you, more and more every single month. It's very exciting. To achieve that first rank of star, you need to have an OGV of 500. What the heck is an OGV, right? So an OGV basically means the volume of orders that you and the people under you place. So if you've just gotten started, like let's say you just got your premium starter kit yesterday, or maybe you just enrolled and you don't even have your starter kit yet because it's coming in the mail, you have a membership number. You can tell your friend, hey, look what I just did. I heard about these oils. I heard they were amazing. I got some and I haven't even learned how to use them yet. Do you want to get some? And we'll learn together. This is going to be super fun. I've done a little bit of reading about it. I've seen some fun graphics on Pinterest, and I think this is going to be a wild ride. Do you want to do it with me? And then you get your friends, you get your aunt, you get your mom, you get your neighbor, and they're like, yeah, sure, this sounds like fun, let's do it, right? So you've placed your premium starter kit order. That is automatically 100 PV, which means product value, which counts towards your volume. And if you enroll, say you enroll 4 people that first month, which is what I did. I think I enrolled 6 people my very first month with Young Living. The 100 PV that they earn on that they spend on their premium starter kit adds onto yours, and you can add up to 500 in no time. Your order, 4 people at 100 PV, and you're already at 500. Another way you can do that is, let's say you, on your enrolling order, you got your premium starter kit and you wanted a couple extra diffusers, you wanted to try some Ningxia Red, you wanted some household cleaning products, whatever, you added onto your order and your order ended up being 300 PV. Great. You're more than halfway to star already just with your order. And then let's say you enroll your sister Sally and she places a 200 PV order. Boom, done. You're a star. You can do it on day one, right? It's easy peasy. So that is the first rank level. The next one is senior star. Senior star is basically star on steroids, like you just kept doing it. And maybe the people that you enrolled reached out and enrolled somebody too. It's just the same responsibility of simply enrolling somebody, getting them plugged into our Facebook group and our support system. So be sure after you have enrolled somebody that you get them connected so that they are not just left not having a clue what to do with their oils. They can learn along with you. We have hundreds and hundreds of people, thousands of people literally on our team that are learning and using these oils on a daily basis. And so we love to share our experiences. And so it does not matter what your rank or level is. We love to have you add your members to our group so that they can be part of this community with us. So Senior Star is basically 2,000 OGV, so not 500 like Star, but 4 times that amount. So maybe you've got your 4 friends that you enrolled and they've done the same thing you've done and they're all Star, then you are automatically a Senior Star. See how that starts to grow? It doesn't mean that you had to enroll 20 people, but maybe you enrolled a few and they enrolled a few, and now your organization has all these people in it, right? So 2,000 OGV is a Senior Star. That's the second rank level. Now the third rank level is called Executive, and Executive is really kind of fun. That's where things start to change a little bit, and the rank achievement is not based solely on your organizational group volume or your OGV. It is that it needs to be 4,000 OGV, which is double your Senior Star. However, the little difference here is that you need 2 people under you that have also begun to share, and their OGV is 1,000. Okay, so they've already achieved Star, they're halfway to Senior Star, and they're in your downline. That is going to qualify you to be an executive level leader, which is really a big deal. We love to celebrate every single milestone rank that our team members achieve. So if you have people on your teams that are achieving these ranks, be sure to acknowledge them, congratulate them, because you know what's going to happen as their teams grow and they enroll more people, their income begins to increase. They begin to earn more money, which they can automatically apply to their orders. So I don't know about you, but when I first got started with Young Living, I did not have a lot of spending cash just to be throwing at products, and I hadn't really taken a look at how much we were spending elsewhere, like at Target and Amazon and all these different places, and really done the math to see, oh, well, it really makes sense to spend it with Young Living instead of elsewhere. But to my, initial thought, I was like, I just don't have the money to buy these products, right? However, as I began to share with other people and I started getting checks in the mail, I automatically was like, wow, I got more money in my check than I even needed to buy this month in my Essential Rewards order. So I could place a 300 PVER order, that's Essential Rewards order, and have the entire thing paid for by the check I got from Young Living. So I was basically getting all my oils, shampoo, moisturizers, nutritional products, all of that absolutely free, simply because I shared with some friends and family about the products that I loved. So those are the first 3 ranks. There are other leadership ranks with more perks. The more you grow and the more you share, you earn more, you receive more, you have the potential to really take this to the nth degree. The sky is the limit. But when you're first starting out, I encourage you guys not to limit yourself. Don't think, oh, I don't have time to put in 40 hours at a job, something on the side. Don't put in 40 hours. Just go have coffee with your best friend and tell her about what you've tried and do it little by little. It doesn't have to be some big formal thing, You can get to star, senior star. How many stars do we have in this group already this month? It's probably in the hundreds. I have no idea. I haven't looked yet. However, all of you guys, if you're star now, you can be senior star. Why not, right? Just keep doing what you're doing. You're already on that path. If you've never shared with Young Living with somebody before, if you have never achieved star, why not start today? You can be a star by tonight. Like if you start now, if you talk to a few friends and maybe some of them will think you crazy. Great. Say, come on and be crazy with me. This is such a fun adventure. The science behind this stuff, the reason why it works is fascinating. Once you delve into it, you'll never turn back. You will absolutely love it. So I welcome you to be on this adventure with us. Don't keep what you're learning about Young Living and the products and the experiences to yourself. Share it with somebody. Be liberal with your sharing of your experiences, your member number. Get those folks started on their wellness journey, and let us support you. If you have questions about the different ranks and how to achieve them, we're here to help you. I should also let you know that the more you share and the faster you share, Young Living has, on top of the financial perks, they send you some swag bags to beat all swag bags. So there are so many amazing products that you can get for free from Young Living simply by helping them to fulfill their mission of getting these products into every home in the world. So don't let fear hold you back. Don't let anything keep you from sharing what you love. We'll be here to answer your questions, support you as you get started. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.